Hey guys, welcome back to the next video, and in this video I will tell you the Qlik architecture. And as you can see here, we have three different layers within the Qlik architecture at a high level. So first layer is the data access layer, second layer is the application layer, and third layer is the presentation layer. So first access, which is data access layer, and as the name suggests, is helpful in getting the data from various sources. For example, if you have a text delimited file or a CSV comma separated file or any Excel file or any database or cloud resources, even some big data like Hadoop, Cloudera and all, you can actually have the connectors. So you have these connectors available on the Qlik website, apart from the regular one like the Excel databases and all, and you can get data from these various sources to bring it in the Qlik sense. So that's where first layer comes into the picture. Second layer is the application layer, where mostly your administrators and the data architects or people who are responsible for producing the right data modeling, which is kind of a heart for your Qlik application, will gonna do the work, which requires a lot of scripting. So in the application layer, as I said, administrator will going to manage the application, and there is like QMC, which Qlik Queue Management Console, which helps doing a lot of tasks like scheduling, publishing the application, and allowing the interaction for the end user by creating sessions and all. All of these tasks are kind of managed by the administrator, and those who are involved into scripting the data modeling are the data architect for the Qlik application. Will going to work on the application layer specifically for data preparation for the front end. Now on the presentation layer, two types of users comes into the picture. First is your designers, who will going to design the presentation by creating different types of charts, metrics, filters, etc., which will be consumed by the end user. And that is your second type of user that will be accessing the presentation layer, because whatever designer is creating, that means charts, metrics, filters and all, will be consumed by the end user, and they will just look up the presentation layer and get access to all of those different types of charts. So that is at a high level a very high level your Qlik architecture. I know there are a lot of different things if somebody wants to go deep down, but if you're just trying to understand from a developer point of view and not from the administrator point of view, because administrator will have to really go deep down into pretty much everything, right? Because they need to make sure that data access layer is working fine on the server, application layer is working fine, presentation layer is working fine. But as a developer, you just need to have an understanding about a superficial idea about what these three different layers are, because sometimes even in the interview somebody will ask the question. So at the high level, to give an answer within 2 minutes, you should know what are these three different layers, and at a high level what these basically do. So this is what basically I wanted to give you an idea about the three different layers which is present in the Qlik, and we will be interacting a lot with all of three different layers, because we will be accessing the data, we will be creating the model, massaging the data and doing some ETL things, and finally we will prepare the presentation. So don't worry about it, we will access all of these three things and see it in action. So stay tuned for next videos, and if you like the video, well, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe the channel for getting all of these videos directly in your smartphone or in your email.